What happens if we pull on that? Look at that. When you got leaves that look like that because of the cold mornings and an empty tote and a bed, what do? We're going to dig sweet potatoes. Come on, let's see what we got. You're going to follow your runners. That's out there in the walkway. I did have a viewer ask why I don't take the pitchfork and at least loosen this. And with what I'm seeing here, I may have to. See, I even broke the end of that one off. All right. Well, loosening this up may be the trick. Oh, that's pretty nice. See if there's anything else. Well, there's a big old spider. Now that's nice, and it's not been eaten. Look at, okay, so I guess we got to share a little bit. It's okay. Let's go back in here a ways. See what we got here. We got purple and orange side by side. Those are nice. Those are nice. But these are beautiful. I bet I could make a pie out of one of these. Oh, come on. Yeah, see, that's going down there. Let's go ahead and loosen this up. And there you go. That's not what I'm after. I'm after this one. Well, that's good. Oh. Now that is gorgeous. There's nothing wrong with that. And right in here is why we plant more than one spot. Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay. Let's see if we can do this. Come on. Oh, well, got one. Just wait. What I can feel in there. 2, 3. Come on. 4, 5, 6. 7. Okay. Get these leaves out of here. Okay. Get these in the box, or I'll bury them. There you go. That's nice. You want to take a look and see what's in the raised bed? Yeah, me too. Let's see. This looks like a hill. What happens if we pull on that? Look at that. Those aren't huge. That's a nice little, I like that. Set those off to the side. There you go. There you go. This looks like a hill. What happens if I pull on it? Now that's what sweet potatoes are supposed to come out of the ground looking like. That's nice. I may be growing sweet potatoes in the raised bed from now on. Ah, we're going to grow some in the ground too. Oh, there you go. All right. What do you think? You want to see what's under there? Well, I don't think there's much of anything under there. Look at that. Now that is beautiful. That's wonderful. They're not the biggest, but these are going to be tasty. I'll take it off as a clump. There you go. There's one clump. Uh-oh. There's another clump. These could have done it for another 30 days if we had 30 days, and I don't think we do. Okay, the amaranth is out. What do you think? Well, let's go ahead and clear this. There you go. They go flying everywhere. When you're starting carrots under cardboard, you want to make sure they don't dry out underneath there. Oh, check it out. We got carrots all over here coming up. With the sun on them, you don't want to get them too leggy, because then when the sun hits them, it'll just chew them up. We got carrots coming up all through there. Now if you remember, we did the same thing over here by the raised beds in the heat of the summer. We got a nice little patch of carrots right there. I'm going to go ahead and use this raised bed as one of the winter beds. I'm going to build a top on it. I hope you join me for that. If you want to learn about the deep mulch, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. You want to learn about the life in the soil, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. You want to see a great big sweet potato, click that link and I'll meet you back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.